Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. After a long time, I came to Dhaka Botanical Garden, which is my favorite place for macro photography, and I came with a new gear system. I have upgraded my Sony A670, this one. I used to use Sony A6500 for a long time. About 6 months back, I bought this Sony A6700. I have been doing a lot of street photography, portraits, etc., etc. But today I'll be testing on macro photography with Laowa 90mm macro lens. For macro photography, I'm not expecting much difference from other APS-C system because for tiny subject like spider or flies, we cannot use, this camera cannot detect autofocus system for this tiny subject. However, I'll try with this new Sony A6700 for macro photography today. I'll be using Godox P3500. Usually I'm using it for a long time. Let me fix it on. Today is very windy. It's monsoon in Bangladesh now. It's hot summer. And it was raining this morning and there are a lot of wind. I think you can hear the sound of winds. So please ignore the noise, background noise. Now it is about the radiant diffuser I'll be using. You can see in my hand a very slim two-piece radiant diffuser for my system. I call it a universal system. I have already uploaded many videos on this very unique universal diffuser system. I have uploaded plenty of videos on it on my YouTube channel, but the only difference this time I have done, usually the radiant diffusers use a white plastic, but instead of white plastic, I am now using, for this system, I am using a translucent plastic, which I got it from an old television, LED television, and this is a very good, very good diffuser material for macro photography. For white plastics, we lose a lot of light because it's very thick and very opaque. But this one is translucent and it allows more light than the white plastic. That's why I'm using it. I will be showing you the performance of this one. Now let me show you how I fix it on my flash system. It's very easy and very convenient. For radiant diffuser, I need one more thing. I need a LED light to illuminate the diffuser inside and a power bank for a continuous power supply for this LED light. Let me fix it and I'll show you how easy it is. First, I need to fix this reflector system on top of it. Then I'll put this power bank on top of this flash and tighten it up with the Velcro. So my reflector system is on the flash and over here is the power bank. Now I'm going to fit the light. This is like a pendant. This LED light is like a pendant. I will hang it with the flash. And also tightening with the Velcro. You see the light here inside. Now I'm going to fix this diffuser part. Very simple, very easy with the Velcro. see, this diffuser is on with the reflector. I have another piece of diffuser in case if, in case I find very shiny subject, I will add another one inside it. With it doesn't need any velcro behind this diffuser. Now I'm going to power the light. So you can see the illumination from inside. I can switch it off and switch it on. Now I'm ready for macro work. Radiant diffuser, reflector, and the light inside. I'm going to start walking around this lake and the bushes around, and let me find something interesting.